Hey guys, just wanted to give you a quick update on what's going on with our hydraulic press. We're actually making a lot of progress. Let's see if I can turn around here. You can see we've got the piston in place, and you can see that our bottom die holder is in place, and we have the top die sitting here on the floor. So we've kind of test fit everything, and this morning I am getting ready to figure out how to install this bad boy, which is our control valve, and we're going to end up doing a double pedal control mechanism. When I was on the set of Master of Arms, I got a chance to play with one of the forged presses they had up there. It was pretty cool, but it had the butterfly deal, basically where it's almost like a gas pedal, except that when you roll it forward, it goes up, and you roll it back, it goes back. And I found it to be rather clunky on that end. Just you didn't have a lot of control, and this two-pedal system seems to be a little bit better on that end of it. So we're going to make that attempt. The other thing we've got to do is we've got here, you can see this is my big old hydraulic tank. And again, I'm going to say that a lot of this stuff is ridiculously oversized. I have overbuilt this simply because, A, I don't know what I'm doing, and I'd rather overbuild it than underbuild it. And we're going to take all those mechanicals, and we're actually going to put them on a separate cart. We found this little cart right here in the junkyard the other day. Bad boy rolling around really nicely. So one of the reasons that we're going to end up putting this on a cart is because if this is successful, we're going to do a second specialized press for working on some of our peanut blades, which will not only be a straightening press, some 40 inches long, it will also basically be a set of giant quench plates. So, but more on that later. But we're making good progress there, and yeah, pretty stoked about it. So I just want to give you guys a little bit of an update now that we're halfway settling back down into the shop. We still have a tremendous number of repairs to do. There's no two ways about that, but we're able to get back in the groove of everything. Big shout out to a couple of new Patreon supporters. I think we broke 20. And so I've got a little bit more to talk about that. If you're a Patreon supporter, I've got a bit of a plan going on with some of our new videos. So if you're a Patreon supporter, you get to see all that kind of video, and there'll be a video coming out for you guys today. But again, thank you to all my Patreon supporters. We're finally getting all this stuff moving forward. So anyway, you guys be good. Talk to you a little bit later.